In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot CRM with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection that moves your CRM data into a spreadsheet for reporting, analysis, or collaboration, and you'll understand the key choices that keep everything accurate. Start inside your HubSpot account. From the main navigation, open the marketplace using the plug icon. This is where HubSpot lists vetted apps that connect to your portal. In the search bar, type Google Sheets and open the listing that appears. You're looking for the integration that lets you sync contacts, companies, and deals between HubSpot and your spreadsheets. On the integration page, select Install App. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Choose the correct work account, the same one that owns the spreadsheets your team uses, and review the permissions carefully. These allow HubSpot to read, and if you choose, update specific sheets, grant access, and wait a moment while the app finishes installing. Next, set up your sync. You'll choose which HubSpot object you want to move, contacts, companies, or deals. Pick the dataset that matches your immediate goal. For example, if you're building a lead list, start with contacts. For pipeline reporting, choose deals. Keeping your first sync focused helps you validate the configuration quickly. Now configure your field mapping. Mapping tells HubSpot which property goes into which column in Google Sheets. Use straightforward one-to-one pairs so the data lands exactly where you expect. For example, map email to email, name to name, and status to lead status. Keep an eye on data types as you match fields. Dates in HubSpot may appear as timestamps in Sheets, which is fine. You can format them in the sheet. Multi-select properties typically come through as comma-separated text, so plan any filtering accordingly. When your mappings look good, it's time to start the sync. Choose your direction. One-way sync from HubSpot to Sheets is the safest option for most teams because it preserves HubSpot as the single source of truth and keeps the spreadsheet updated for reporting. Two-way sync is more advanced and allows updates from Sheets to flow back into HubSpot, but use it only if you have strong controls around who edits the spreadsheet. Launch the sync and give it a moment. The first run can take longer if you have a large data set. Once it completes, open your sheet to confirm the headers, spot check a few rows, and make sure the values match your expectations. If anything looks off, return to your mapping to refine the pairings and run the sync again. That's it. You've connected HubSpot and Google Sheets with a clear, dependable setup.